Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we learned how to manage our listings through our local AI agent, Cursor, including how to create listings, update listings, and change the status of our listings. Today, in this video, we will learn how to manage our reviews through our GeoBuddy AI premium add-on and our local AI agent, Cursor. We will see how to list our reviews, how to reply to them, and how to moderate our reviews. So let's start. First of all, we go to our GeoBuddy AI settings, and in the General tab, we enable our review tool. When we enable this review tool, the available tools for listing reviews become available in the MCP tab, where we can see how to list reviews for our GeoDirectory website listings. We can see how to reply to reviews for our GeoDirectory listings. We can see how to moderate reviews for our GeoDirectory listings. These tools become enabled for us. So let's find out how we can manage these GeoDirectory website reviews through our local AI agent, Cursor. Our cursor is already connected to our MCP server, GeoBuddy AI, which we connected in the previous video. And if you need to connect it, you can watch our previous video on how we connect it. Link is in the description. So let's start by typing here how to use the GeoBuddy AI review tool management. We are asking our local AI agent how to use our GeoBuddy AI review tool management. Our local AI agent will tell us how to use it. I will look up how GeoBuddy AI review management works in this plugin and MCP tool so I can give you accurate usage steps. First, step 1, activate GeoBuddy AI, and in GeoBuddy AI settings, turn on the reviews group. As I already told you, give your MCP key right to scope if you want to reply or moderate, which is what I mentioned. Three tools are available in our GeoBuddy AI. We can list reviews for our GeoDirectory website listings. We can reply to reviews for our GeoDirectory website listings. We can moderate reviews for our GeoDirectory website listings and change their status. So, first of all, let's talk about how we can list all the reviews for our GeoDirectory website listings. How do we do it? So, we will tell our local AI agent, please list all the GeoDirectory websites listings reviews. We have told our local AI agent to list all the reviews for our GeoDirectory website listings. So, our GeoBuddy AI tool will tell us how many reviews our GeoDirectory website listings have and will list them. So there are a total of 4 reviews on our GeoDirectory website. These 4 reviews are showing up here where the status of 2 reviews is pending and the status of 2 reviews is approved. So we have now listed the reviews for our GeoDirectory website listings. Now we will talk about how to reply to our GeoDirectory listing reviews through our local AI agent. So how do we do that? We will tell our local AI agent, please reply to review ID. Now, the review IDs are written here. Now, to which review do we want to reply? We will have to mention the review ID. So, we will write review ID 2 here. Review ID 2, and we will write what we want to reply. Hey, thank you for your review in my listing. I have done this review on the Morimoto listing, and what is the review ID? It is 2. Right. So we will tell this to our local AI agent and we will open this review on our local AI local setup. Now look here. This is our reply. Hey, thank you for your review in my listing. This is the reply to the listing through our local AI agent. Right. So now we will talk about how to moderate our listing reviews through our local AI agent Cursor. We have 2 listings here, one of which is this one. In this listing, our review ID is 5 and its status is approved. Now, we will change the status of this listing ID, this listings review from approved to spam, right? So we will tell our local AI agent, please change the status of review ID 5 from approved to spam. Now, what will this do? Our local AI agent will change the status of this review ID 5 from approved to spam. So we will show you our review. Okay, let's start. This is our listing. From here, the review that was there, its status has now changed from approved to spam. Right. So we can also check this in our local admin. In the admin, there is a comment section where we can check that Andrew Dubas had responded to this listing in spam. Right. Let's add a detail. How is the best? So we had changed the status of this review to spam. Now we will change this same review from spam to approved. So we will write, please change the status of review ID 5 from spam to approve. Now our local AI agent will change our review ID 5 from spam to approved. It has done it for us. Now we will go to the listing and check. So on our listing, this review of ours has come back again because we have approved it through our local AI agent. And we can also check in our admin that there are no reviews in spam. And in our approved section, this review of ours is also there, review ID 5. That is correct. So this is how we can manage the reviews on our GeoDirectory website using our local AI agent cursor and the GeoBuddy AI tool. So this GeoBuddy AI tool of ours, you can purchase it from our website wpgeobuddy.com, which is available with a single site license, a 5 site license, or an unlimited site license. If you would like to purchase our membership, you can do so, which starts from $99 per year, in which you get our 10 available premium add-ons. And you will also surely get all our future add-ons as well. So do use it and share your feedback with us. So that's all for today's video. We also provide directory website development and consultation services. If you want any help related to directory website, you can book our free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon in next video.